This is you. You have been stressed out with all the emails you have been receiving from your project stakeholders.
We are disappointed by the fact that the project budget has been overspent.
Our workers have met with an accident.
Why are we so off schedule?
Well, we have a solution. Drones, unmanned aerial vehicles, help you carry out operations in your project at a much faster rate and improve safety issues during inspections. These in turn help reduce your project cost. All you have to do is go to joinitacademy.com. Click on online courses. Here you shall find the only course on drone operations and management available online. This course is for professionals in the field of mapping, surveying, industrial inspections, and so on. Let us help you make your projects reach greater heights just at the click of a button. DOMP, available exclusively on joinitacademy.com.